Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall MySQL on Windows. We can uninstall MySQL via Windows settings or via control panel. So first let us see how to uninstall MySQL via Windows settings. To do this, press Windows I. This will open up the Windows settings. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here in Search Apps, search for MySQL. So this will display all the MySQL components which were installed. So now we need to uninstall it one by one. So first uninstall MySQL Documents. So click on the three dots and click Uninstall, Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So now MySQL Documents is uninstalled. Next, uninstall MySQL Examples. So click on the three dots and click Uninstall, Uninstall. So now MySQL Examples is uninstalled. Next, uninstall MySQL Workbench. So click on the three dots and click Uninstall, Uninstall. Click on Yes if you get a security prompt. So now the MySQL Workbench is uninstalled. Next, we need to uninstall MySQL Shell. So click on the three dots and click Uninstall, Uninstall. Okay, so the MySQL Shell is uninstalled now. Next, we need to uninstall MySQL Router. So click on the three dots and click Uninstall, Uninstall. So MySQL Router is uninstalled. Next, click on MySQL Server, uninstall it. So click on the three dots, uninstall, and click Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So the MySQL Server uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the MySQL Server is uninstalled now. So now uninstall MySQL installer. So click on the three dots and click Uninstall, Uninstall. Okay, so all the MySQL components are uninstalled now. So this is how we need to uninstall MySQL using Windows settings. Next, let us see how to uninstall MySQL using control panel. To do this, press Windows R and type apples.cpl and press enter. This opens the programs and features of control panel. Now we need to uninstall all the MySQL components. So first click on MySQL Documents and click Uninstall. Click Yes. Next, click on MySQL Examples and Samples and click Uninstall and click Yes. Next, click on MySQL Router and click Uninstall and click Yes. Next, click on MySQL Shell and click Uninstall and click Yes. Give Yes if you get a security prompt. So MySQL Shell is uninstalled now. Next, uninstall MySQL Workbench. So click on it and click Uninstall. Click on Yes. Click on Yes if you get a security prompt. So the MySQL Workbench uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the MySQL Workbench is uninstalled now. Now click on MySQL Server and click Uninstall. Click on Yes. Click Yes if you get a security prompt. So now the uninstallation is in progress. Wait for it to complete. So now the MySQL Server uninstallation is complete. Now click on MySQL Installer and click on Install. Click on Yes. So MySQL Installer is uninstalled now. So all the components of MySQL is uninstalled successfully. So we have seen how to uninstall MySQL using Windows settings and using control panel. So you can follow any one of these two methods to uninstall MySQL on Windows. Next, we need to remove MySQL from path. To do this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. So this opens up the system properties. Now click on Advanced tab. Click on Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on Path and click Edit. Here you must be able to see the MySQL path. So if it is present, we need to delete it. It is present here. So select that path and press delete. Now click on OK. Click OK and click on OK again. So now we have removed the MySQL entry from path. Next, we need to do the cleanup. So to do this, go to C Program Files and here delete the folder MySQL. So select the folder and press delete key to delete it. Click on Continue. So MySQL folder is deleted. Next, go to Program Files 86. So go to this folder and here if you see MySQL present, we need to delete it. So it is not present there, so we can leave it as it is. So if it is present, we need to delete it. Next, go to the folder Program Data. Here we need to delete the MySQL folder. So select the folder, it is present here. So select it and press delete key to delete it. Now click on Continue. So now the MySQL folder is deleted. Next, press Windows R and type app data within percentage and press enter. This opens up the app data roaming folder. Here we need to delete the folder MySQL. So select the folder and press delete key to delete it. So now the folder is deleted. So these are the folders we need to remove as part of the cleanup. Once we are done with the cleanup, we need to do the verification if the uninstallation was successful. To do this, open command prompt. So press Windows R and type cmd and press enter. So this opens up the command prompt. Here type the MySQL command MySQL -u root -p and press enter. So here you should get the output MySQL is not recognized. So this confirms that the uninstallation was successful. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall MySQL on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.